In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to start copy trading on MatchTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to matchtrader.com. Once you're inside of MatchTrader, it should be doing something like this. Once you get into your account, you will need to go up to where it says trade up here, prop, analytics, copy trading, or explore. From here you'll simply need to go up to copy trading, and from here you'll be able to see right here. Once you can see social trading, you'll be able to sort by filter, where you can sort by return of investment, AUM, or copiers. From here you can find the specific copy trade that you want to start, or the strategy that you want to start, and then you can click copy right here. From here it should be something like this, and now from here you can see what type of account it should be to subscribe with, either your live account or your demo account. From here you can also add the options for the subscription, where you can start with, let's say, $100. You can add a stop loss, a take profit. You can also add single position stop loss or single position take profit if you want to do that. Once you do that, you can go down and select the symbol that you want to start trading by clicking on this specific icon over here, and then you can click copy. As you can see up here, you have successfully subscribed to the Money Making Management, and from here it will start copy trading for you. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!